Have you gotten the opportunity to attend a club officer installation ceremony and wondered how they got the script? This video might just be the thing that you're looking for, if that was what you were thinking. Hello, my name is Susan and I'm the Program Quality Director for District 6. And in this video, I intend to show you how to get to the club officer installation script. You want to be logged into Toastmasters.org. When you're on this page, you click on Leadership Central, and over here you go to the Club Officer Tools. Scroll down a little bit, you will see Club Officer Resources section where you will see Club Leadership Handbook PDF. You can click on it. The first item that you see here is Club Leadership Handbook. It's available in multiple languages. You can select the one that you feel comfortable with. I will select View Handbook. Once the page opens up, you can simply search for script, and you will notice there are multiple sections here that have script. What you can do is you can go to the section where it says Club Officer Installation Script, scroll down a little bit, and you will see what you could use for your Club Officer Installation ceremony. I hope this was helpful. Until next time, take care.